Founded in Spain in 1992, Svp Broadcast Microwave is today an important company in constant growth and with a presence all around the world. Throughout its 20 years of experience in design and manufacture in the field of microwaves, Svp can offer its clients the best solutions to satisfy their current and future necessities. Thanks to our highly qualified personnel being involved with each project, our customers are confident and satisfied with our service. Our three main lines of work are mobile links for TV broadcasting, downlinks with both helicopters and planes, and portable links for a large range of applications. Our mobile links are used by broadcasting companies worldwide. Microwave downlinks are used for several different applications, such as sport events, news, parades, and aerial surveillance. Portable links have been designed for different applications, where an easy, portable system, resistant to the worst environmental conditions, is needed. Svp is constantly improving their products to resolve any new challenges in the area of communications, and it contributes to the development of broadcast technology with the most innovative solutions on the market.